Is it the right time to buy or sell the SQQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the SQQQ ETF. We previously published an initial report on our website on Monday, November 6, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On November 2, 2023, our system identified SQQQ as a sell candidate with a score of -3.02. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -4.56%. This means that, on average, it lost -1.52% per day since it was marked as a sell candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, it appears that there could be a potential 7.92% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a chance to earn a return between 7.92% and 34.99%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projection of a -58.33% change over the next 12 months. This implies a potential return between -88.46% and -41%. In other words, the price range could be anywhere from $2.15 to $10.98 after a year. Here's the latest update on SQQQ. The SQQQ ETF price ended on Monday at $18.61 after experiencing a 1.12% decrease. On Monday, the SQQQ ETF price fell by 1.12%, going from $18.82 to $18.61. This marks the 7th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.42%, starting at a low of $18.51 and reaching a high of $18.96. In the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 10.96%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is typically a positive sign as it usually follows the ETF's movement. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 41 million shares, with a total of 100 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.87 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $60.54, while the lowest price was $16.38. Currently, the price is 69.26% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to $41.93. Additionally, it is 97.7% lower than the all-time high reached on March 12, 2020, when the price reached $808.47. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for SQQQ, an ETF you might be interested in. First, let's talk about the buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. This is a positive sign for the stock. However, there are also some negative signals that have been issued, which could influence its short-term development. It's important to keep these factors in mind. Both the short and long-term moving averages are giving sell signals for the SQQQ ETF. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. If there are any corrections that lead to an increase in price, there will likely be resistance from the lines at $20.57 and $20.16. Breaking above these levels could trigger buy signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -19.40%. This indicates a potential further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, it's indicating a buy signal. Pivots, it's showing a sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, it's giving a buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, it's suggesting a sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's indicating a sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it's showing a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. Short moving average, it's suggesting a sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's indicating a sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, it's showing a buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be talking about support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $18.59. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this ETF can experience significant movement throughout the day, making it a high-risk option. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. Looking at its recent performance, SQQQ had a price difference of $0.449 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which is equivalent to a 2.42% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.75%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SQQQ. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SQQQ is at $19.36. If you're considering entering a position, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. For those who already own shares, this could be a level to consider for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, SQQQ encounters its first support level at $18.59. If this support holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF and we haven't set a stop loss. Is the SQQQ ETF a good investment? Despite the positive trend, we have observed several negative signals in the SQQQ ETF, leading us to believe that it will underperform in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this ETF is negative. Our analysis of the volatility and recent movements indicates that the current price is undervalued. On Tuesday, November 7th, we expect the SQQQ ETF to open up by $0.0837 and start trading at $18.69. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors and have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.